If you are around, please order call to boarding gate 1348. Once the boarding gate
I will take pictures
1348,
from
all
here.
aboard please.
Yeah, we are going to board now. We're going for boarding.
Now we're going to Copenhagen.
We just landed in Sweden 30 minutes ago, and then we will be heading to Copenhagen.
Yeah.
That will be. Oh,
Denmark is actually a very nice country.
when I was actually working in Malaysia, I am working there in like school in the plantation, but
Yeah.
it's not actually like a government school. It was sponsored by the plantation, and it was headed by an NGO, and our director is actually Danish. Yeah.
That was actually funny.
Why?
Tour in Bergen. And
Final number guest, Miss Elizabeth Valiaris. Miss Carol Marie Valiaris. Mr. John Dexter
Yeah.
Ganda.
We were working.
yeah, we actually made a tour to other people. And some of the guests there were actually asking me, like, we was just
What
applying.
they are asking?
The fish market and everything. We was just applying to bullshit. They were,
It's nice. You and the editor are also crazy. They were asking you maybe these people doesn't know things about like that, and then you're actually replying
yeah.
not so good things. So where you are heading?
I'll be to some
You will be staying now
to
going out. You'll be a room, and
be
then
a prisoner.
Terrace
I will be a
a
prisoner.
prisoner for 1 month.
Let's see what's up.
Mom already took one good what they call stool
Yeah.
upstairs because she said this cannot sit on this plastic chair because
Ah,
maybe
it's
it will
okay.
go. Oh,
No, no, no.
because maybe it will go. That's why she
It's
took
okay.
this wooden chair. He would be sitting in. I said, how about me? And you can take the plastic seat.
Yeah, but it's tiny. About the plastic chip,
No,
actually.
no, there's actually in the veranda. There's actually a table. So she was telling you just have to get here for breakfast or anything. I said, we're going to eat all together. She went, no, no, no.
She'll be happy with us.
I think she's ashamed. I said,
What?
why we will not eat downstairs? Because then there's a lot of notes and everything, and it's really hard to but in the veranda there's it's not good, but like the fresh air.
That's good.
It's so windy. And she was telling me, anyway, you cannot be seen outside. I said, are you sure? She was telling me, this glass is actually like the glass is actually like
Okay, so
so from inside you can actually see the people from outside, but also from outside.
that's good.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens.
So
It's just a dry air.
and it's so unique, so good. Go, 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 go. How do you play some poker games? Very hard.
I see.
Nice. Oh, wow.
Nice luggage inside.
There is